Ever pondered the unseen consequences of a military operation? How often does collateral damage occur, and what does it imply? Collateral damage, the unintentional harm caused to civilians, infrastructure, and non-military targets, is a grave concern in any military operation. It's not just about the immediate impact, but also the long-term repercussions on society and the environment. It's not a mere afterthought, but a significant factor meticulously calculated well before the operation starts. It's about responsibility, not just repercussion. The first step towards calculating potential collateral damage lies in intelligence gathering. It's a critical process, the backbone of any military operation, aimed at understanding the operational environment. This includes knowing the locations of civilians, infrastructure, and non-combatants. To gather this detailed intelligence, advanced technology plays a vital role. We're talking about satellite imagery, drones, surveillance aircraft, and other high-tech tools. These technologies provide a bird's-eye view, a precise picture of the target area. This accurate information helps military planners make well-informed decisions that could mean the difference between life and death for innocent civilians. Without this crucial first step, minimizing collateral damage would be like shooting in the dark. Accurate intelligence is the bedrock upon which the minimization of collateral damage rests. Once we gather intelligence, the next step is precision targeting. This process is akin to using a scalpel instead of a hammer. We rely on advanced technology to guide our weapons with pinpoint accuracy. From laser-guided bombs to GPS-guided missiles, these precision-guided munitions are designed to strike specific targets and avoid undesired collateral damage. This technology allows us to minimize the risk of stray ordnance causing unintended harm. The goal is simple and clear: to hit the exact military target while leaving the surrounding civilian population and infrastructure untouched. In an unpredictable battlefield, this meticulous approach brings a measure of certainty. Precision targeting ensures that the right targets are hit, leaving non-combatants and infrastructure unharmed. The process doesn't end with precision targeting. A thorough risk analysis and clear rules of engagement are essential. Risk analysis in military operations isn't just about objectives and outcomes. It's a careful balance between achieving the mission and minimizing harm to civilian lives and infrastructure. In this intricate dance, the importance of the target is weighed against potential collateral damage. Then comes mitigation, adjusting the timing of the operation, choosing alternative targets, or even using less powerful munitions are all strategies employed to reduce risks. And of course, we can't ignore the rules of engagement. These are not just guidelines, but clear directives that help military personnel determine when and how force should be used. They define legitimate military targets, emphasize avoiding civilian populations, and lay down steps to minimize collateral damage. Clear rules and comprehensive risk analysis are critical in determining the when and how of using force. The final steps encompass humanitarian considerations, training, and post-operational analysis. Let's delve deeper into these aspects. Collaboration with humanitarian organizations forms an integral part of the planning process. These organizations provide a unique perspective, helping military planners understand the potential impact of operations on local populations. They highlight vulnerable areas and populations that require special attention. This collaboration helps tailor operations to minimize harm, incorporating a human-centered approach into military planning. In addition, the training of military personnel plays a crucial role. They receive comprehensive education on the laws of armed conflict, ethics, and rules related to minimizing harm to civilians. This training emphasizes the importance of avoiding indiscriminate attacks and taking precautions to protect non-combatants. It is not merely about hitting the right targets, it's about ensuring the safety of innocent lives amidst the chaos of conflict. But the process doesn't stop once the operation is over. A thorough post-operational analysis is conducted to assess the actual impact and effectiveness of the operation, including an evaluation of collateral damage. This analysis is not about pointing fingers or assigning blame. It's a learning process, a chance to refine techniques, improve future planning, and further minimize unintended harm. The information gathered from these analyses is invaluable. It provides insights into the accuracy of intelligence, the effectiveness of risk mitigation strategies, and the appropriateness of the rules of engagement. It's a feedback loop that helps the military adapt and improve, constantly striving for precision and care in an inherently complex environment. While every effort is made to minimize collateral damage, the nature of armed conflict introduces inherent complexities. There's no denying the potential for unintended harm. However, this reality doesn't absolve us from the responsibility to try, to learn, and to do better. Therefore, continuous improvement and ethical considerations remain paramount in military planning and execution.